It's class 66, right? I think. I don't know, it looks like. Yeah, it's like this. Yeah, yeah. Oh wow, engineering shrine.